If you ask me what makes this Boxster look cheap, it isn't the scratches, it isn't the little dents, it's not even the curved up wheels. It's these headlights. This by far destroys the look of this car. If you've been following this Boxster build, you know that it's probably one of the cheapest Boxsters in the country. It was definitely the cheapest in my area. So I paid about $10,000 for this Boxster. And mechanically, the car's been great. Electronically, it's been pretty good. Cosmetically, not so much. It's really hard to appreciate an old sports car, especially when one of the headlights look like someone rubbed butter all over them. And you know, when you're looking at the car, the headlights are the first things you see when the car is coming towards you. Because quite frankly, it's my first time doing it, and I don't even know what I'm doing. And there's 1,000 of those tutorials on YouTube. This is just showing how we can make this old sports car look much better for 20 bucks. So I made a video maybe about a week ago where I bought this. So this is the little kit I got from AutoZone. This was 20 bucks. It's a headlight restoration kit. I don't know how good it's gonna be, but that's kind of the point of this car, is to kind of live and learn with it. So this is what we're gonna be using today. So since the other headlight is actually perfectly clear, we're only gonna be working on this one today. It's said to wipe the headlights down with water. I'm gonna use this. This is a glass cleaner, but I actually used to work at a car wash. This is what we used, and you could literally detail an entire car with this stuff. It's the best thing ever. So, just gonna spray it. Just figure pretty thoroughly wipe it down just to get any like dirt on it. What's really nice with this soap, this glass soap stuff, is that it won't damage your paint. I have used it on paint before, and it's fine. If you just wanted to like polish a little section and you wanted to wet it first or something, you can totally use that. Whoa, it says Bosch in the headlights. I guess these are made by Bosch or something. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Interesting little things you learn every day about these cars. What's really cool with this Boxster is obviously Porsche nowadays is owned by Volkswagen, right? So not that Porsches are Volkswagens, but there's parts on them that do say Volkswagen Audi. There's little things on, like, say, my Cayman that it'll share with my Atlas or my wife's Q5 or whatever the case may be. What's cool with this is that this is actually before Volkswagen bought Porsche. So from my understanding, this is a genuine, not that the new ones aren't genuine Porsches, but this is like a real Porsche. I don't know, I think that's kind of cool. All right, I think that's pretty good, pretty scrubbed down. Little side note, I also just got these so I can record with them. So these are the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, which are actually really cool. I've never used them before, or I've never had them for that matter. I did use them once when I first got them. I got them a couple days ago. So we're gonna switch to these. So I think I'm supposed to use some painter's tape. That's what I'm seeing. This is gonna be a little more complicated than that because it's curved and not straight angled like a wall. We gotta get that painter's tape around this whole headlight. Alright, so we got it all taped up. Alright, we got the white. Now we have to scrub for about 2 minutes and essentially use the wipe until it starts dying. I think you're supposed to soak that. Just these corners for the 30 seconds. This car kind of sucks to do it on because these headlights are such a weird shape. Whereas a lot of other cars' headlights are much more, you know, say, kind of triangular. Luckily, if anything messes up the front bumper, I really don't care. Because that bumper is cooked. That bumper needs to be repainted. Or maybe if I could just find a new one that's in better shape online. You know, a part out or something, that would be great too. But I kind of would rather paint it to learn how to do that and see how hard that is. Seems like a very difficult task, but that's the point of a project car, right? You learn from your mistakes, and then you upgrade to a cooler project car, and then you have more experience by that point. Okay, definitely sanded. All right, so there is a chance that I messed this up. I didn't realize that the green is 3,000. I think you're supposed to start with 2 and then go to 3. Instead, I started with 3 and then went to 2 by accident, but I don't really know what I'm doing. But, so I might have messed this up, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Well, we're gonna do we just did the 3,000 first and then the 2,000, so now I'm just gonna do the 3,000 again, and then maybe that'll kind of clear it up. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing, but if I messed it up, I messed it up. We will learn from it. Let's just pop this over here. I don't want to put it on the ground. Yep, get that green one. This is why you wear crappy pants. You don't care if it messes up your crappy pants. Oops, I still have I'm an idiot. There we go. Okay, so I believe now, looks like I'm supposed to soak the headlight. So I'm going to use this little microfiber we got here. It says soak or rinse the headlight, so I'm thinking I shouldn't like scrub it. I should just kind of gently kind of wipe it. I would call that more rinsing. I don't see a difference yet, but I just have to trust the process. I'm very curious as to how this is all coming out on the Meta glasses. I'm very happy I got them. You can see that the consistency on the headlight almost looks like there's like a milky coat on top of it right now from all the sanding, which I hope that is good. I hope that means I didn't destroy the headlight. I don't know if I'm doing this too fast or too slow, so I just keep going back and forth. The last one I did horizontally, so left to right, right to left, right to left, and this one I'm doing vertically, so up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Alright, so now I'm going to open up one of these wipes, which is the ceramic coating. And from my understanding, I'm on kind of a time crunch with this one. Alright, so we put the ceramic coating on, which you can tell it's already starting to clear up and look a lot better like that one. But it's said to wait about 5-10 minutes, so let's wait about 5-10 minutes and we'll be back. Alright, so it's been about 10-15 minutes I've been waiting. It actually looks significantly better than it did before, so it definitely looks a little clearer. I think I want to do the whole process again and do it correctly, and maybe spend a little bit more time with the 2000 instead of doing the 3000 and the 2000 and the 3000 again, because obviously that wasn't the right way to do it. I'm thinking that though I probably shouldn't drive the car for a little bit, maybe like not for a while, but like at least for the rest of the day and not till nighttime. So then let it kind of cure a little bit. I just don't want any rain or like water. If I hit a puddle or something and it splashes, I just feel like that wouldn't be good for the headlight. The headlight I don't think is ever going to be completely perfect because it's a 25-year-old car. It's never going to be perfect. If I want it to be perfect, I'd have to get new headlights, but it does look a little bit better, which is nice. But that one, for some reason, just never had a yellowing issue. If you look at that other headlight, this one just did. I don't know why. But yeah, maybe I'll do it again or whatever. But for the time being, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. It's been a few hours now, and that's how they're looking. It actually looks way more yellow on camera than it is. They actually look pretty close in person. Like I said, this one's gonna have to be done again because I didn't do it right. I don't want to do it again, but it does look a lot better than it did before. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.